how to copy and insert Excel data into Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. And as you can see right here, we have our Word document ready. Now, to copy and paste your data, let's head on over to our Excel file. Now, right here, we currently have a basic file that contains quantity, unit cost, and the total. Now let's go ahead and copy all that data by clicking Control C. Now head on over to Microsoft Word and right click on your document. Now click Paste. And you'll see that you have different paste options. You can choose to keep the source formatting, use the destination style, or even insert it as a picture or text only. And that is how you can copy and insert your Excel file in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.